What's going on, YouTubers? This is Matthew, Vic, and the JoJo Lena, and it rained last night. And what time is it right now?
It is
8:55, and we're at time how fast we get all these jobs done today. We got 4 jobs on the list, and we're gonna show you how much money we made in a short period of time.
In a very short period of time. And that's one of the great things about owning your own business is if you have something else that you're gonna do later on, you can schedule your jobs and get them done and then enjoy the rest of your day.
So if you haven't yet, hit that like and subscribe button and watch the video to the very end. Now, sorry for the interruption, but do you want to win one of these Haulin' and Ballin' t-shirts? Well, JoJo's gonna break it down how to do it.
Well, during this video, we're gonna break in and give you some trivia questions, and probably our very loyal subscribers that have been watching for a really long time are going to get these answers right. And the first subscriber to get all the questions right in the comments below is going to win a Haulin' and Ballin' t-shirt.
Now let's get back to the video. Check that bad boy out. So here's the first job of the day. And it is almost a full load, JoJo. And it got rained on last night. Be aware, haulers. Sometimes the customers will call you up and say, we ain't got much stuff. And then you show up and you got a full load.
So that job took about 20 minutes, but we have to wait a little while for the customer to come with his credit card. So it's gonna be a little bit longer than we thought.
So now it's a waiting game. And JoJo, how'd that patch job work? It's been, what, a month and a half?
It's been about a month and a half, and it looks as good as the day I did it.
Let's check the time. It is 9:33. And we still haven't been paid yet. Still waiting on getting paid.
So you might want to grab a piece of paper and a pen because it's trivia time. And the very first question is, what was the name of our first truck? And the next one is, where did Matt used to work?
So we're pulling up to the landfill right now, and 3 out of 4 of these jobs are repeat customers, and one's from Yelp. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee?
I'm gonna predict 54.
I'm gonna say $73. I think I got it.
You might have it this time. Oh, we'll see.
So guess who won? It wasn't the JoJo, and I was off too. It was 105.
We were way off.
It was a wet one.
Yeah, it got a little wet last night, and they're a little bit harder to predict.
Oh yeah. So we're back here at my favorite place, the landfill. I'm about to drop a load, baby. Oh yeah. Now let's talk about one of the downsides about the trash business is waiting in the damn dump line, JoJo.
Yeah, you do have to wait in the dump line sometimes, but you could take advantage of that time and turn on YouTube and watch some of our videos.
That's so damn true. Now where are we at right now, JoJo?
Well, we are at a place where a property manager calls us quite often because people keep illegally dumping things all around his property.
So let me show you what we're dealing with real quick. It's an easy pickup. So yeah, wait in the dump line, but sometimes you get easy jobs like this. Look, you can pull right up and get paid easy money. And JoJo, let's do a time check. What time is it right now? It is 10:42. Now look at this funky, filthy, dirty ass mattress. If you sleeping on something like this in your house, you are officially a dirt bag. Look at that. Scumbag. Ugh. You ready or what? So about 2 minutes later, we're heading to the next one. You ready?
Yep.
Let's roll.
Trivia time. A couple more is, what is my other job when I'm not doing junk removal? What is my other job? And what program changed Matt's life? So we're at the next job of the day, and this is a repeat customer, and his wife keeps telling him that he needs to clean up, and he's been doing that, so he's been calling us. So happy wife, happy life.
So here's the next job. It's this box spring goes. This stuff right here goes. This mattress over here goes. The bed frame. And this little bit of stuff right here. And that's it. So job is complete. And JoJo, what time is it?
It is 11:20.
11 dub, baby. Now we're heading to the next one. So the tip of the day, if you break your window, use saran wrap. Look at that. What a damn genius. Now we're pulling up to the next job of the day, and it's from Yelp. And I know I told you guys I hate Yelp, and yes, I still hate Yelp, but because I hate Yelp doesn't mean I'm not going to use Yelp. And we use a free one, and we get business, so there's no reason not to use them. Yes, they erase your reviews and do all that stuff, but you know what? If money's coming in from that direction, we're still going to use it. Ain't that right, JoJo?
That is so right.
So it's a Yelp hit, and we're getting paid today, baby. So thank you, Yelp. But stop calling us all the time.
Trivia time. What body part is not attached to the redneck? How did we get our name? So we just pulled up at the next job, and not only were they a Yelp customer, but they're a repeat customer. So they're a repeat Yelp customer. That makes all of our jobs on the list today repeat customers.
So it is all this piping and metal right here needs to go. And then also all this wood right here, JoJo. And this stuff right here. So just like that, about 30 to 35 minutes later, job is complete. And that was a little bit of a pain in the ass, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was. Wood is one of not my favorite things.
And there was some treated wood back there, and in our county and in our area in California, we can't take treated wood unless you live by Fresno, because that's the only place you can drop it off. So we had to separate that and not take that. So we're done. We're at the landfill right now. And JoJo, tell them about our trash group.
Oh, we have a Facebook group called Trash Talk, and if you haven't joined it yet, you should, because people offer advice and you can get good information, and it's just a really good group to join.
And the cover winner of the week in that group is A&J Junk Removal. So every week we announce a junk removal company with their logo as the cover winner. So they're the cover winner, and here's their logo. And that's a pretty badass logo right there.
Yeah, and if you want to be on the cover someday, just submit your logo or a picture of you doing junk removal, and maybe you will be the next cover winner.
And what's your prediction of the dump fee, JoJo?
Prediction of the dump fee this time is 78.
78? I'm going to go with 120. Let's see what happens.
Oh, yeah.
What?
There's stuff in there I forgot about. So.
Well, come on. Come on back.
Oh, no, I got it wrong. I'll take my loss.
All right, let's see what happens.
I'll take my loss. So we have another channel. So if you like rolling around us while we're picking up junk, you might just like rolling around us when we're doing just everyday things. So sometimes you go on an adventure with us, or even help us check out our homes and find our new house. So check the description below and right here. Click on that, and that'll take you to our new channel, The Matt and JoJo Show.
And there they are, the damn enemy. They are not the enemy. They are the reason why you can charge so much money. We love them, guys. 1-800-GOT-JUNK. Ha ha! So look at this line. It is almost springtime. Look at that pile from damn hell. Oh my goodness. JoJo, what's your bid?
Oh. I don't think I'd do it.
Good answer. It's a bunch of concrete, all kinds of trash, huh? It's a whole building.
Well, I take that back. I would do it because we're right here.
Oh yeah, you're right. There's the dumps right there. I'll just throw it over the wall.
The next question is how did Matt and I meet? What county do we live in?
So look who won. It was $125. I was off by $5. That's what I'm talking about.
The next questions are, what is the name of our Facebook group? And how long did Matt work both jobs before doing junk removal full time? Now remember, answer these questions in the comments down below. The winner will be chosen by whoever answers correctly all 10 questions first in the comments.
Now for the moment of truth, we're finally back. And JoJo, what time is it?
It is 1:29.
We worked 4.5 hours. And JoJo, how much money did we make?
Well, we totaled in that short amount of time $13.96.
$13.96, baby.
And that's not even for it all day.
No. And what were the dump fees?
Okay, so we had a dump fee of $105
$105,
and another dump fee of $125
$125,
and $25 for gas.
$25 for gas.
So in our pocket, we put $11.41.
$11.41. That's hauling and balling. So if you guys like these videos, hit that like and subscribe button. And you want to add anything else, JoJo?
Well, I was just going to say, by the time you see this, we'll probably have our merchandise shelf. So go down there and check it out and see if you want to start hauling and balling.
Oh, yeah.